Hey everybody, it's Kelly and welcome to day number 27. So if you've been watching along, what I did day number 24, you know that I put some of the photos from my trip to visit my mom already in the pockets. So that's what this is. And I just kept them in the binder as they go because that just makes it easy for me. And I had loved this card when I saw it, so I picked it up. As a reminder, this is day number 26. So here's the front side of day number 26 along with day number 25, and then here is the back side, which goes with day number, it'll be across from day number 27. The one thing that you did not see is that I actually added in this Simple Stories little, add-in page here that came with my binder, but I didn't do that in the original video because when I was going through my binder and adding the pages in, I saw this and I thought, oh, that works really well with this. So I added a little Mary, just one of the little Mary chipboard pieces from my Ellie Studio. It's sitting right there, my Ellie Studio chipboard pieces. And then I added a photo to the back of that, and then a little Celebrate the Season wood veneer. So that wood veneer goes back to this piece, these pieces here. And this is another one of those things from that the lights that we went to look at on the day after Christmas. So, and I liked this photo too. It has the luminarias or farolitos, depending on what you call them. They are two different things, but most people wouldn't know that. Most people, I think, know them as luminarias. And that's very uniquely Southwest. So I thought that would be cool to get included in the book just as a reminder. So that's that. So let me pull this out. I had also stuck in a little love die cut there that I found when I was going through things the other day. So that is also there to possibly be worked on. Now I do have pieces behind here for day number 28 because that was the last day of my trip, was my day going home. And so I kind of, know some of what I'm doing here. And I'm going to just go ahead right away and glue these together since I know they need to go together. And hopefully that little love piece will come out with this. There we go, it did. All right, so it looks pretty good here. It doesn't look like I have to do a lot of trimming on this photo, just a little to get it to match the card. Even though I print 3x4, I'm not quite sure why my, actually it might be the cards that are a little bit off now that I think about it. Let's see. Nope, it's the photo. I'm not quite sure. I print 3x4 borderless, and then my printer still prints a little bit bigger than that, so I don't know. Anyway. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. Oops, and I do need to trim this a little bit. Just on both sides here a little. Okay, so we have that, and then this. And this is a photo of my mom, me, and one of my mom's friends. And I'm thinking that I want to pop some green behind it. So I have two greens. So I can either use this one, which I do like, or, and we were wearing our Packer shirts because it was Packer game day later that day, or I can use this lighter green where you'll see some of our, let's see, some of this pattern behind it. So I almost think, and my mom is looking kind of goofy in this photo, but oh well. This does have a green across from it as well. I know it's silly to be debating about something like this. You know what? Maybe I'll just, actually, I'm going to use this just because it's something a little bit different. It hasn't been in my book yet, so I think that's kind of nice. And I think this will fit just as it is right now, right in there. Yep. so let's add, so my plan is to add this down here. And these are pajamas that my sister bought for us. She left them there from when she was visiting my mom in November. And neither one of us thought they were going to fit, but apparently they run big because they did. So we were trying them on, and then my sister wants me to Photoshop her into this photo. I'm trying to figure out, like, yeah, I'm not sure that would work. I'd have to put her head there, or a little bit of her head or something. It just wouldn't exactly work. That's what happens when people who don't know about, what do I want to say, about, I can't think, about Photoshop and that kind of stuff. Okay, so we have that, and then I think, let's see, this is day number 27, right? Yes, day number 27. So I think I'm going to add one of my label stickers up here in this corner. Now, I have been having a problem getting these straight, so maybe it would be a good thing if I used my little tweezers here. So we have that little accent, and then this little accent here, and this, I think I'm going to put on a little piece of foam tape, just to give it a little bit of dimension in here. And I'll just pop it kind of in here as part of this whole little piece here. And then, and I still didn't get the sticker straight, even after I did that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's going to stay, because that's not coming back up. I could use these stars too to add a little bit of dimension, but maybe not. I was thinking, I do have some flat die cuts from this package. I'm thinking maybe I need to find those to see if there's anything I could use in here, like just a little star that could cheer is cute, but kind of the same color. Let's see. The perfect tree. That Mary would be a cute little addition up there. Let's see, stockings and bows. Let's see, I was thinking about maybe something over here too. It's not really small enough. So maybe this is a place where I scatter some enamel dots. In this case, I think instead of putting it over my head, I think what I'm going to do is just do this kind of in the between the two photo layers. Like this. And then I don't have a little, thought I'd have a little glue there. Okay, so we have that, and I think that all looks really good. And then a few enamel dots. I was thinking some green over here. I'm almost out of that lighter green though. This darker one probably works better. And what I was thinking is I would kind of use this to disguise the fact that that's really off. Just adding in a little bit of dimension here. These probably almost look black because the green is so dark. And then, let's see, so I want to add 3 in here. And I actually even am going to put a third one over here, because then I've used up this pack. And I think that, or that color in this pack. And I know I don't have any up here. I could though, I just thought about that. Let's do that one right there. Or actually it was lining up with that one. I'm going to put it down here. Okay, all right, you guys, so that really is day 27. It's really that simple. And then of course I have to journal on that card yet, but that won't be, you know, that's a pretty simple thing. So there we go. And actually that's nice because the enamel dot sits part way into the plastic there, so it's less likely to come off. All right, you guys, so that's day 27. I'll be back again with day 28.